For more than 60 years, Midland has been dedicated to protecting people and the environment worldwide by ensuring the safe transportation of products by rail. Midland Manufacturing is a part of OPW, a family of brands dedicated to the safe handling and transportation of fluids. Our vision is to protect people and the environment worldwide by ensuring the safe transportation of products by rail. Often through densely populated urban areas in close proximity to the public, and in pristine rural areas rich in natural resources with fragile ecosystems. Rail cars often transport volatile and dangerous chemicals. Every day, we strive to exceed rail industry expectations by providing the safest and most reliable valves for those rail cars. Our engineering team is dedicated to precision research and development using state-of-the-art tools and manufacturing techniques. We rigorously test our valves to ensure that industry specifications are being exceeded throughout the manufacturing process. We regularly offer uptraining and feedback sessions with our staff members. And the training doesn't stop there. We participate in industry training events to prepare emergency responders. And we consistently visit the field to train our valve repair partners. Our customer service staff is trained to handle any questions from our customers. And our documentation is second to none. When it comes time for a valve to be repaired, Midland has not only the ability to rebuild our own valves, but most other brands as well. We remanufacture and test valves to the same exacting standards as we do our new valves. From the design concept through the research and development process, exceeding industry standards with extensive testing and excellence in training and customer support, Midland is committed to protecting people and communities with the safest and most reliable railcar products manufactured. Millions of miles, a single mission, protecting people and places.